tour through tree. So there's one of those big trees you can drive through. Not me with my vehicle. But so the trees across the street. So here's the gift shop. So it's $1 to go up 200 feet, 200 yards. And it says here a sample, one big redwood tree. How old is age? 603 years. Maximum diameter 10 feet. That's 3 meters. And mean diameter. So the tree looks like started in 1377 and for 600 years through 1980 when it fell down. That's a big tree. 600 years. There are some that are like 800. There's tourists taking pictures. Wow.
Thank you. You want to jump back in? I'll take a picture.
Okay, me in my RV over there, no. It was not far. And there's the tree. One car can go through, nothing bigger. It's interesting. And it's probably 700-800 years comparing to one that I saw down. Or at least that's 500-600 or a couple hundred years. So look at how tall it is. It doesn't fit in a camera. That is amazing stuff. Cost you $1 to drive through. $1 per person. These people with kids, they paid $5. Through the tree, one way. You know that lady down?
What's that?
That lady down? Her husband's father made this.
Oh, really?
That's their family property from 1850.
Oh, wow.
And they had a ranch with cows. Then when highway went through, they invented some other business, made this. I'm going back through the tree. Okay, I'm in the middle. Coming out.